How to remove someone from group chat on Messenger. Today on this video, I will show you the simple and easy method to remove someone from group chat on Messenger. You need to make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you will know how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Messenger app on Android or iPhone device you have been using. Once you open it, you need to locate the group chat you want to remove someone from. So make sure you are the admin of that group chat, then only you'll have the ability or permission to remove someone from that group chat. So once you open the group chat, you simply need to select the members, and here you will see all the members of the group chat. Simply you need to select someone that you want to remove. You need to tap and hold on their profile, and then you will see the option to remove from group chat. Simply select it, and we have successfully removed someone from group chat on Messenger. So that's how we do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then like, share, and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.